Hi, I'm Hilary Struby.
And I'm Wayne Struby.
And we're Therapy Nexus, and thank you for checking us out.
We're here to let you know what we're providing, and that is a lot of education and training through YouTube channels and social media platforms, just so that you can figure out what this is all about. We're also teaching people how to move appropriately in these things right here. This is called an IDEO, but there's also things called ExoSyms and dynamic orthotics out there, and we're going to teach people how to function appropriately in those things.
We're providing direct physical therapy services with evaluations, treatments, and yearly family membership plans.
We're also working on building a directory of all the physical therapists in Texas, and we're going to work on a rating program so you can see who's good near you, so you can help pick a therapist better.
And we're going to provide running training through the POSE method.
And get on our site, check us out, and book a free 15-minute consult. All right, thanks.
Thank you.